So apparently at Cornwall College in Montego Bay, a young man was suspended for 10 days. The mother says she didn't know about the suspension. No one told her that her son was indisciplined. Came to see the principal. And apparently when the principal was walking away, she held on to his jacket. And then the principal allowed her to take the jacket. And then the security forces got a little annoyed with that. It is my understanding that a teacher made a report to the principal, I'm quoting here, who then suspended my son and didn't make any contact with me. I went there to find out what had caused his suspension, not to make trouble. He was walking away, the principal, Mr. Ellis, and I grabbed his jacket when he backed off, which he backed off in my hands. I know I was wrong to grab his jacket, but I meant no harm. I just wanted to talk to him about the situation with my son. The mother said that after she grabbed the principal's jacket, she was attacked by 2 security guards. My hand even got injured, she said. The guards came and started grabbing me, and we got into a tussle. I gave the police my name and left. The woman says that she subsequently went to the Ministry of Education's Region 4 office to report the matter. The Montego Bay police were not able to say whether a formal complaint was made to them by the principal. Well, there you go. Interesting. What's the next one? Do you have a comment on this one?
Well, it's difficult to comment on these things if you're not there.
I don't know the full story.
I don't know the full story.
Yep.
But, Mom, I'm going to say that this is going to put you a little bit backward in your defense of your child.
You can't right if you're wrong.
Yeah. And if you have the right,
don't
give it up.
Yep.
And holding on to the principal.
Yep. And she has admitted that she shouldn't have grabbed the jacket.
Yeah. Yeah, but grab him, put you in a bad way, and then people now are going to want to say, so if your mother behave that way, they pick him. Must they get so you put everything in a little cloudy area for you and the child. So I just hope it becomes resolved.
For the young man.
I don't know why though a child could be suspended without the parents' knowledge. So I'm going to give her that.
Yeah.
That even if a letter is sent, a call in them time could have passed through. So. Wow.
That's the one you know.
The latest kerfuffle in Kingston's nightlife is a brewing intellectual property war.
That's Chad Williams you're looking at right there.
Yeah.
He promotes
Fridays at the Devon.
Right.
And that's a weekly event held at Reggae Mills Bar. Earlier this week, Chad abruptly announced the event's cancellation, citing an attempt from the venue to tarnish the hashtag Fridays ATD brand.
At the Devon, yeah. Well, apparently the venue's owner says the party will continue, and he says it's not that someone took someone else's brand. He says it's been happening. As far as trademark ownership, he says they own that. He says Chad is the promoter. And he says the venue has become an inseparable part of the event's identity. So he's suggesting that it will still continue, but Chad says he owns the brand, and the gentleman says Alex Anteos. He's saying he owns the brand, and Chad just promotes something at the venue. But I think this is not difficult to work out. You go to the intellectual property office, then these things can be, I think, easily looked at. Final one this morning.
Yeah.
Mr. Trump. I'll go on with Mr. Trump now.
Impeachment. I'm so out of it that is last night and I reach home in the wee hours of the night. I say, hold on, what? There's an impeachment hearing going on, a public one at that?
So you never know that?
No.
How many you did that?
The last time you leave the argument, them I wonder if them to impeach it, if one should happen.
Yep.
And I'm realizing that it's full speed ahead.
Yeah, it's also possible that he could be impeached and still be the president of the United States. That happened to Bill Clinton.
Right.
Richard Nixon, who was impeached, he had to step down.
I guess it depends on the offense,
Yeah, and not only that, it's the Senate that would decide whether he has to step down or not. And the Senate is run by his party. So the Democrats, they don't run, it's the Republicans who run the Senate.
So it
will have the majority.
So work out if people them like him.
So he can be impeached and still be the president of the United States, which is what it looks like is going to happen.
Yeah.
But impeachment is still not a good thing. He would be the third behind Nixon and Clinton.
Because Clinton impeachment was more about conduct.
And Monica Lewinsky.
Yeah.